Hello everyone, welcome back to the another episode of Thoughtful of Education, an initiative, the Thoughts on Education by College Dunia. Thoughts on Education initiative is to enrich the user's experience at collegedunia.com and try to bridge a long gap between the management and the students. So today we are having with us Dr. M.A. Bote sir. He is an HOD of Mechanical Department from Sanjay Bokre Group of Institution. So welcome to the interview, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, so before moving ahead towards the interview, can you just give a brief introduction of yourself, sir?
Myself, Dr. M.A. Bote, Head of the Department Mechanical Engineering. I have total experience of 15 years and I am working as Associate Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering.
Great, sir. Sir, so shall we start with the interview, sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir, my very first question to you is that what are the benefits and the career options after pursuing this program?
There are numerous career options available for mechanical engineers. Students can choose any of them as per their interest and career ambitions. Some of the career options after studying B Mechanical or BTech Mechanical are automotive industry, aerospace industry, defense, thermal plants, steel plants, robotics industry. They can work in public sector. They can go for the higher studies as like MS and other. Then also they can work in the design, production, analysis, testing, also research and development, piping design, engineering, etc.
Great, sir. Sir, my next question to you is that what are the different success stories of your department?
Our student Miss Priya Patil is currently working as Assistant Motor Vehicle Inspector for the Government of Maharashtra, that is RTO. Mr. Anand Pujari working in the R&D department in the Government of Maharashtra. At Alcarato in Australia, Ms. Saili Gaikwad, our student, holds the position of a design engineer. Mr. Pranit Bapat, who graduated from batch 2018-19, is working as a self-check inspector in the Government of Maharashtra. Mr. Adil Sheikh, recently, who is member of batch 2021-22, has been selected for Bharat Dynamics, a public sector in a Government of India company undertaking under the Ministry of Defence.
Great, sir. Sir, my very last question to you is that how your department ensure the overall development of the students?
The department has well-educated faculty members with expertise in cutting-edge technologies which ensures quality education. All our faculty members are doing PhDs. Our infrastructure and laboratories are well equipped and maintained. We are following outcome-based education system, that is OBE. Keeping in view the challenging job market awaiting in students, the department ensures that they are equipped with industry-relevant skills during their curriculum. Training programs as for the CATIA, ANSYS and AutoCAD has been done with the help of experts. We organize guest lectures, seminars, individual training and webinars with experts on a regular basis. We are also conducting soft skill training programs.
Great, sir. Great. So, thank you so much, sir. This was a very insightful session with you.
Thanks.
So, everyone, this was Dr. M.A. Bote, sir, HOD of Mechanical Department from Sanjay Bokre Group of Institution. Thank you so much, sir.